Uh, a day guide I, a Russian Rubik Task Force speaking and in our procession. I am John Alexander Fandiño Gallego. La Candelaria is historic network in the city. Local a 5 minutes walk from Bolivar Plaza. I own the Casa de la Moneda. They Botero Music and Ney open Gabriel García Márquez Cultural Center Amoy of Import Museum I Lamp La Candelaria The You Bossy or What Die Nari Colonial Street Line with Colonial State House in the Budik. They Moving Cerro Monserrate is a symbol in the city of Bogota. However, by the beds the way the city landscape and distribution. To have Monserrate, you can alcar what we guide transport en el day Mountain and the World Museum in Bogotá, hay Museum C4 and the Travel Passation Tour. The World Museum Bed, an incredible collection, pre-Hispanic, world price is well as the four artifacts from by times parents. The world collection, however, is what it is more improvisation is it in its museum. Arjuji destroy in Bogota are now in as museum destination in the city Bogota. I home the magnificent impressionation could relieve those one edified an European continent. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.